Hi, I'm part of the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team for the Escambia County Public School District. I'm here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. I will show you how to keep the conversation going, keep track of tasks in Google Docs by using comments and tasks. Did you know you can communicate with others about specific parts of a document or include notes about changes someone has made? You can do that by adding comments to a Google Doc. There are 4 different ways to add a comment in a Google Doc. This also works in drawing, sheets, and slides as well. The first way to add a comment is to highlight whatever it is you want to make a comment on. Right-click, choose Comment, type your comment, then press Comment. The second way to add a comment is to highlight what you want to comment on. Go to Insert, choose Comment, type in your comment, and then press Comment. The third way is to highlight, and when I do, notice I get this pop-up toolbar over here to the right. I can add a comment, an emoji, or make edit suggestions. I'm going to choose Comment. I will type my comment in and then press Comment. The fourth way to add a comment is to highlight, go to the comment icon in the toolbar, type your comment, then press Comment. To open or close the Comments panel, click Show All Comments in the top right. You can search for a comment by entering keywords or a username. You can also filter by Open and Resolved Comments. You can send a comment to a specific person. Use one of the 4 methods of adding a comment. Select the text that you want to comment on. The pop-up toolbar will pop up. Choose Add. The comment box will open and you can type your message. To send the comment to a specific person, you will type the @ sign. When you do, this will bring up a list of your contacts. You can either type their name in or their email address. You will choose who you want to receive the comment. You will then have the option to assign the comment to them. They will be added to the discussion and sent an email. When you're finished, click Assign. If you tag someone who doesn't have access to the document, you will get this pop-up window. Google Docs will ask you to share the document with them before posting the comment. They can either be a commenter or an editor. You can also choose to allow anyone in the school district of Escambia County to comment. Once you've made your choice, you will press Comment. To reply to a comment, click on it, type your response, and choose Reply. So that is how you can add a comment, edit a comment, delete a comment, and send a comment to a specific person in Google Docs. So now let's take a look at how to use action items in Google Docs. Do you or your team members assign action items or create to-do lists for a project or a meeting? If so, I'm going to show you how to create tasks in Google Docs. So let's get started. This is a Google Doc that has been created for meeting notes. It has action items, and I want to assign them to someone. You can assign an action through a comment. Remember, there are 4 ways to create a comment. So I'm going to highlight the words I want to assign the action to. I'm going to choose Comment. Here you can either type the @ sign and your contact list will come up, or type a plus sign. If the person you're wanting to assign the task to is not in your contacts, you can either type their email address or their name. You're going to choose the person you will want to assign the task to. You're going to check the box saying Assign to, and then you're going to click Assign. They will be notified through an email with the information about the assignment. That is your tech tip on how to add comments and action items to a Google Doc. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to A Byte of Tech YouTube channel to view more tech tip videos.